Dear student, the previous period we discussed the new revised academic calendar or curriculum, and in that period we discussed about the question paper pattern and revised syllabus of economics and project, that is continue the remaining subjects syllabus. The syllabus of history, to complete the syllabus, the time allotted is 46 period. History syllabus, section 1, events and process, all three themes are compulsory. Now see, in that three themes, the number 1 is French Revolution, second, socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution, and third, Nazism and rise of Hitler. This is the history syllabus. More detail Landge sir will be explained, but just I am introducing the revised curriculum of social science. Now, second subject, geography. Geography, number first lesson, India, we already discussed. Second lesson, physical features of India. Third lesson is drainage. Now in this chapter drainage, only map items as given in the map list from this chapter to be evaluated in examination. It means that on drainage topic, only map based question will be asked in final examination. Last, that is lesson number 4, climate, and lesson number 5, natural vegetations and wildlife. As per the new curriculum, lesson number 5th it is omitted, that is 6th, that is population. In geography, as per the new syllabus, there are only 5 lessons. Now civics. Lesson number 1, what is democracy, why democracy? Total periods of civics are allotted 37 period. Now, second is constitutional design. Lesson number 3, electoral politics. And 4, working of institution. This is a portion of social science, economics, history, civics and geography. Now, list of map in social science. CBSE provides the list of map and the locating and labeling and identification of the particular point. In history, the map questions will be asked on chapter number 1, the French Revolution, Second chapter, Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution, and the third is Nazism and rise of Hitler. Only 3 lesson map question will be asked, and that is for locating, labeling and identification. Geography question, map questions will be asked on the lesson number first, that is India size and location. Second, physical features of India. It includes mountain range, mountain peaks, etc. And lesson number 3, drainage. And in that, only identifications of river. And chapter number 4, that is climate. Number 5, natural vegetation and wildlife. In this, as per the new curriculum, few lessons are omitted, few points are omitted. Next, in my period, that is in geography, we are practicing the map based question. Therefore, all the students, you have to purchase the political map of India, and in next video we will discuss the size and the location of India, lesson number first. And in economics and political science, there is no any map based question. Map questions will be asked only history and geography. Remaining 2 lessons, there is no any map question. Thank you.